Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to speed up a video in Davinci Resolve. Either speed the whole video up or just a section. So let's open up Davinci and then load your clip into your editing area. So this section here. And then the first thing you want to do is, if you want to speed up the whole video, you can just go to Inspector, Video, and then it will be like that. You go to speed change, and then so here you can just drag it left or right. So left is slow, right is fast. So let's make it quite fast, and this will speed up the whole video now. See, yeah, speed up the whole video. But if you want to speed up just a certain section, you can actually right click on your video part of your clip and then go to Retime Controls. It will give you this blue arrows and this little arrow here at the bottom. This is the percentage of speed up your video is now, because I made it 352. So now if you want to speed up, I can actually set this to where it was, 100 around about. Wow, on the dot. So if you want to speed up just a certain section, take your bar and set the point that you want it to start. So say at 1 second. Then you come down, you have this little black arrow, click on it, add speed point, and it will add the bar there. Then you drag your bar again to where you want it to end. And let's put it there. Click on this arrow again, add speed point. Okay, now you can work in that area. You can actually drag these bars towards each other. Just that one, not the first one. Actually slow down the first one. So there's a default speed bar there, I suppose. So anyway, drag it left for speeding it up and right for slowing it down. Just make it bigger. Right, so if we watch this, it should be normal speed until this point. Oh, did I drag it that much? Just go a bit closer. A bit closer, closer, closer. Wow. 1 minute, really? Okay, now it should speed up. Boom. And it will end here. Yeah, it should end here. So that's how you do that. Okay.